The version we just did is a little bit more intense on my fingers. I wanted to use a single palm version that's a little bit easier, so it's not as much hand strain. I chose to do that because Sarah's a little bit more petite than I am, so it's easy to lift her and get a little bit of movement to show that off. I'm gonna lift her shoulder blade and go into the upper back, but I'm gonna be clearly on this right side of the spine and then put her shoulder at neutral. What if I traction out this way, Sarah?
Feels good.
Now, what if I pull the shoulder blade down? There we go. So this arm is really pulling back and down, and then I added this piece in. How's that? These sorts of sustained holds, massage therapists are taught in school to deal with effleurage, sliding over skin. I find that for pain relief, I get much more benefit out of hanging out in one spot and shearing skin in different directions without necessarily sliding all the time. I also find that this is easier on my body, and in the end, I just go with what the clients tell me. My clients come to me for pain relief, and that's what I'm able to deliver. Do you want pressure down? There we go. I'm just using movement here. I could really play. I could bring pressure up, I could bring pressure down, I could bring pressure more laterally. Which one do you like? This way? There we go. And my underarm all the way to my forearm right there. I'm actually using this to traction my shoulder a little bit and work through my shoulder joint. That feels nice to me. It's a little sore in there at the moment. Deeply relaxing really helps people with this upper back and neck pain that they experience.